afternoon and welcome back to the channel. Please remember to like, subscribe, comment and share the video out. It does my channel tremendously. For today's little project, what we're going to do is we're gonna make bookends that you can use at the end of your books if you don't have a bookshelf, or you just have your books on a shelf. You can use the bookends to keep your books nice in place. So let me show you guys what we're going to use today. Here I have two books that we will be folding to make our bookends with. Then I've got a nice colorful piece of cardboard. Two other pieces of cardboard that we will be using as the bookends because you're going to fold them. Then I've got my glue and my little popsicle stick, my cutting mat, and my brush, my glue stick that we will be using to stick the pages of the book with, my pencil and my ruler for measuring how big we want this. And then I'm just going to use this as a weight after we glued these two pieces of cardboard together like I said, use it as a weight to just keep it in place till the glue is dry, and we can then do the second part with this. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to quickly glue our two cardboards together. Like I said, we will be folding them like this. But after we fold the books, we will measure where we need to cut them. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're just going to quickly glue these two pieces together. So you're going to just take your glue. This is the glue and water mix that we used for some previous projects as well. And then what you're going to do is you're just mixing it up with your little stick. And then we will use the brush just to brush them on. You want to make sure that your sides, let me work on this. You want to make sure you have enough glue on your one piece of cardboard. Now it's easier to wipe the glue with a wet cloth off the cutting board than to try and get it off the tablecloth. We're just gonna put some glue on quickly. This is such a nice way to personalize your bookshelf and your books. I'm gonna place this one on top of this one. And then we're going to press them together. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place it one side on the table with that the weight on, so that it keeps it in place for it to dry. See, I'm just using the bead holders to keep the cardboard in place. Now what we're going to start to do is we're going to start folding. This is two old books as well. that Mom finished reading that we will be using as the bookends. Okay. We're going to start at the back side because we're going to fold them all just over, and then you're going to use your glue stick to stick them together. That's what you do. You're going to just fold them over and then just with your glue stick, just that little corner there, and you're gonna and this is now what we're gonna continue to do until all the pages are folded. And then you just give it a little glue, and then you just as you see, the covers I didn't fold them because you're gonna cut them according to size. So now all you do is you just continue to quickly fold both your books until you're done. What I'm now doing is I'm just folding the last few pages of the second book so that we can finish it up. And then once we're done with this, we will stick our pages to the cover page, the front page and the last and the back page. This is our last one that we're folding. There we have our second book also done. This is now what they look like once you folded them. So now what we're going to do is you're going to stick your first page up onto your cover page. So I'm just going to use a little bit of glue here. Just wiping some glue on. And then what we're going to do is we're going to just press it down. This open piece will be cut off from the cover. And then you do the same with your back side, your back page. just put some glue on and we just take it and stick it. Come on. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to quickly do the other one as well. Just going to stick it. Like I said, this part will be cut off, and then you're just going to do the same with your back one here. Now what you're going to do is you're going to put it on your cutting mat. And you're going to just cut that part off. Or you can use your scissors. I think the scissors is going to work better. And you're just cutting them level with the folded pages. Like that. And you do the same with the other side. This is now what it looks like. And then you do the same with this one. And there's that one also cut off now. What I have decided to do is not put anything on the back side. I want to keep it natural as it is. The book, this side as well. Now there's your book ends done, and it keeps your books in place. I just used a few of Mom's storybooks just to show you guys how it looks like once you are done with them. I think they came out pretty. I think they look nice. And then, like I said, I've kept them with the original covers. I decided not to put anything at the back or at the bottom. So now that is what you do. If you have your shelf, or if you don't have a bookshelf and you just have a normal shelf against the wall, this is a great idea to keep your books from falling over. I hope you enjoyed today's little crafts project. I will see you in the next one.